Welcome back to Australia, the Visitor Visa Subclass 600. Australia is a land of diverse beauty. From the outback to the Great Barrier Reef, it captivates travelers. The Visitor Visa Subclass 600 lets you experience this wonder. It's for tourists, business visitors, and those visiting family. This visa allows you to enter Australia for a specific time. Duration varies based on your circumstances. Do you need a single entry or multiple entries? The Subclass 600 caters to these needs. Applying again means you've been charmed by Australia. This guide will help you navigate the reapplication process. Second time's the charm. Reapplying for your visa. You've experienced Australia, now you long to return. The reapplication process is similar to the first. You must meet specific requirements again. This includes demonstrating strong ties to your home country. You must prove you will not overstay your visa. Financial stability is crucial. Show you can support yourself during your stay. A well-prepared application is key. This increases your chances of a smooth process. Remember, each application is assessed on its own merit. Navigating the maze. Choosing the right visa option. Reapplying requires careful consideration. Choose the right visa option for your needs. Are you planning a short trip or a longer stay? A long-term tourist visa might be suitable for extended visits. Multiple entry visas are ideal for frequent travelers. These let you enter and exit multiple times within a given time frame. Assess your travel plans and select accordingly. The right visa stream can make all the difference. It can lead to a hassle-free experience. Smooth sailing with BMS Global, your visa application partner. Visa applications can be daunting. BMS Global simplifies this process for you. We are visa experts. Our team provides personalized guidance. We ensure your application is accurate and complete. This minimizes the risk of delays or rejections. We understand the common pitfalls of visa applications. Our expertise helps you avoid these mistakes. We stay updated on immigration rules. This ensures your application aligns with the latest requirements. With BMS Global, you can reapply with confidence.